So I brought my own matcha. It's so delicious. They got like soy milk and honey on board. And now I'm waiting for my eggs. I'm super hungry. Then I'm gonna hit the gym. Tomato? That's it. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Alright guys, I'm ready for dinner. I had such a beautiful day, but now I'm super hungry. We're gonna go downstairs and have some dinner. I'm looking forward to order some salmon. It's my favorite thing on the menu. Hi, good morning everyone. We just made it to Puerto Plata. Right now I'm gonna head downstairs to have some quick breakfast. It's gonna be a long day at the beach. I'm looking forward to have a good swim. Whoa, what is wrong with you? You're a little angry bird.
Mẹ đi trên kia đằng sau.
Mấy cái nhà hàng em cháu.
Canada? Which part? Kitchener, Waterloo?
Toronto.
In Toronto, in the city? Yeah.
So this is the beach in the Dominican, and it's kind of rocky, lots of waves. I don't really like this kind of beach, but I'm gonna go for a quick swim anyways. Hopefully the water's not too cold. All right, it's a bit cold. It just touched my feet. So the weather here in the Dominican is absolutely perfect. I'm just enjoying the scenery. I haven't gone for a swim yet, but I will dip in very soon. Alright, this is the beach in St. Juan. Look how beautiful it is. Crystal clear, not that much waves. It's a super hot day today, so I can't wait to jump in. Hey guys, so I just got back from swimming all day. We're in St. Juan in Puerto Rico. The weather was absolutely perfect. The beach was crystal clear. We had such a good time. We swam for hours. We took a bus from the cruise to the beach, and the buses here are all free. It's so amazing. I had such a good time. I'm gonna have a nice dinner with the family. Then I'm gonna go back down to use the internet and enjoy the rest of my night.
Classic shower break. Right, big applause yourself, big applause, big applause. Let me hear you, let me hear you. Here we go. All right, DJ Pedro, which one is the next country that we do tonight?
Hey guys, this view is so beautiful. The sun is shining right on me. I'm getting so much vitamin D from the sun. I had a beautiful day. The weather was perfect. I swam all day in the hot tub, in the pool, and now I'm so hungry. We just finished getting ready and now we're gonna go down to have dinner. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this view though before I have dinner. Night everyone.
Te gridiamo lo squalo sulla rete, proprio lo squalo.
This is the Ocean Cay Beach in the Bahamas. Look at how crystal clear this water is. It's a little bit chilly, but I love how it's crystal clear. It's so beautiful.
Did I get one?
Hemos
Hey guys, so tonight is my last night on MSC Cruise Escape. I had a wonderful day today. We spent the day in the Bahamas. I actually saw a shark and it was very scary, but I was told that it was only a nurse shark, so I don't think those kinds are that dangerous, but it was very frightening. Anyways, the beach was crystal clear. It was so beautiful. Had a great time. The water was a little bit cold, but you get used to it very quickly and it felt very refreshing. So I had a really good time. Right now I just finished dinner. Dinner was delicious. I ordered salmon with mashed potato and I had a chocolate cake for dessert. It was so good. We had a really nice dinner, but now we're gonna take it easy for tonight. Since it's our last night, I'm just gonna pack the rest of my stuff and have to wake up super early tomorrow. So see you all in the morning.